Hello everyone and welcome to this video lecture number 5 of InDesign. In this lecture we will be learning about the master page. This is Jankit Bhatt welcoming you in the lecture of Z Institute of Creative Arts, Zica and Zica Borivali. In this lecture we will be discussing about the master page. What is master page? Master page in InDesign is the concept taken out from the software PageMaker. Earlier, before InDesign, we used to make all these designs in PageMaker, but PageMaker is still available in the industry, but the PageMaker is not that creative. That has lots and lots of limitations to create the newspaper and stuff. But InDesign is far way ahead than the PageMaker. Now, in InDesign and PageMaker, one common thing is the master page. What is master page? Master page is the main page which controls all the other page in your document. Master page will be controlling the graphics, will be controlling the designing and many part of your other pages. For example, if you want to apply page number, you have to use master page. You want to place your company logo, you have to use master page. You want to place some artwork of your company, you have to use a master page. The page border and everything has to be done by the master page. Master page reduces your effort of replacing a design or recreating a design on each and every page. For example, if you're making a chemistry book for the 8th standard and you have made some design for the border, now the book is of 100 pages, so are you going to copy paste that 100 times? If you do it so, then the accuracy will not be 100% at all. There might be some difference because there would be a human error, of course. In order to avoid that human error, we use the master page. Inside the master page, we will go for document. As of now, I am not in USA, I am in India, so I'll take A4 paper size. Here, first of all, I will close the unnecessary palettes that I have right now. Okay, let me close this palette as well. Text crop option, let me close it, that one as well. Now inside the page palette, this is the master page. I have only one page. Let me create some more pages. I'll go to layout, add page, layout, add page. I'll create some 2 to 3 more pages. Control Shift P or Shift Control P is the shortcut key for the adding up the pages. As you can see, the page numbering 4 to 5 pages has been added. Now pages has been added in two sides. This is the left side and this is the right side, and this is the cover page. Master page will control everything. Right? Now I gotta go for this page, master page, then I will double click on the master page. Now if I will keep anything on the master page, it will be visible everywhere. For example, I'm going to keep, let me keep basically a ellipse, just a normal ellipse I'm keeping, and I'll fill up the color. Now when you see this preview, double click, it has been placed here. When you come down to the page, you can see the same option right over here. Okay, but you cannot see the same ellipse onto the left hand side of your page. If you want to get something on your left hand side of your page, come here, double click, and then you draw the polygon and draw the area. See, right, it will be shown right over here. When you double click here, if you wish to delete this, you can click this, delete, you can click this and delete, but we will not draw a circle or a polygon on the pages like that. If you just go here, then you cannot modify from here. You can delete this, you can delete this one too. After that, if I want to keep some border designs, then I will draw the line here. I'm using the shift key. I'm sorry, I was just handling my mic, so it just got distracted. I was using shift to get it in the straight way. I'll select here and then we will go for this curvy, and I want to put that curve on the other side as well. So take selection tool, alt and drag it to this side as well, and to the bottom of the page also I want to have that. We will select them both, alt and drag it. We'll have the same here. I want to put our company logo. I want to keep the logo of Z, so we will go for file, we will go for the place. I've kept that logo here in the download folder, I guess. So let me go to my download folder and get the logo of Z. Okay, on the right side I want to keep the logo of Z inside the margin, and on the left side I want to keep the logo of Zica. So I'll keep here the logo of Z, and here I'll keep the logo of Zica. So we will come here, go for the file, place, we'll take Zica. Okay, it got replaced, no issues. Control Z. After doing the Control Z, we will simply place it out here. Now when you go to the normal page, see this side, but you cannot modify from here. Not naturally, you cannot do it. You can modify and play the trick. You cannot break the rule. Of course you can bend the rule. Alright, so after that you can see on the left side it's Zica logo, and on the right side it's ZLearn logo. Okay, Zica logo, and this is the ZLearn logo where you can come across. Now here I want to put a page number. For that I'll create one object like an, I'll make ellipse for example. I'll make out an ellipse here, and then we will simply fill up the color, remove the color, remove the stroke color. I will do Control 0, fit image to the frame, Alt and drag it, we'll keep it here. After that we will simply take a text box. Creating a page number is not that simple here, that you go and click on the page number as compared to Corel Draw. Right, over here it's not tricky also, but name is not related to the page number where you're going to click it. So we will go to object, or else we'll go to type, we will go to insert special character, marker, and we'll say current page number. It'll show the initials A right now. You can of course change the font face, and you can keep the font whichever you wants to according to your topic. If it's for the kids, you got to keep it accordingly. If it's for the finance or something, then you got to select accordingly. I will select them and give the font size as 30. Okay, and I want to give them an orange color, so we will go to CMYK, we will get for the orange color. Okay, okay, fine. Now it's just showing an initial A. When you come down to the page, see, it will be called a page number 1, it would be called as page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, and page number 5. If you hit Control Shift P and create a new page, it will be page number, see, created some new pages, but I can't see that right now, but I'll see to it when I drag it down. Page number 3, page number 4, page number 5, 6 and 7. See, getting it? It's auto generated. The page numbers are auto generated. Okay, whatever logo design you want to keep it on all the pages, you have to keep it inside the master page. In the newspaper like Times of India and all, you see 4 colors CMYK1, but that is not in the master page. That is the stamp which is given by the printing. Okay, it proves that the printing machine has passed this paper properly. Okay, so don't keep that one with the help of master page. So whatever you want to modify, you have to go back to the master page here and you have to modify. You can come back here to the normal page in order to do the normal day-to-day task. Okay, so this was a master page. We learned in this lecture how to work with the master page and how to create the page number. I hope you understand. If you have any kind of query, just please get back to us, and till that time please do the practice. Happy learning.